Hello everyone, my name is Richmond Alinsog. For today's video, my role is Law Enforcement Officer Lima Eco Oscar.
Hi guys, my name is John Michael Gasan and I am security guard for this video.
Hi everyone, my name is TJ Dizon and I am the Port Facility Security Officer.
Hi everyone, I am James Bok. I am dock worker of this scenario.
Situation on this scenario is a dock worker performing routine duties near a restricted storage area notices an unattended package or a suspicious package wrapped in a white plastic with no markings and with no owners. The package is placed near Port B from Port Crystal 8, away from usual drop-off points.
This is Kagasan John Michael. I have found a suspicious package was found in a restricted area. No known owner. I have secured the area and advanced personnel to maintain distance, requesting further instruction. Over.
Copy. Do not touch the package. Keep all personnel away. I will review CCTV footage and notify law enforcement. Stand by for further instructions. Over. Law enforcement. This is Port Facility Security Dizon. The Port Facility Security Officer of Crystal Airport. We have a suspicious package in a restricted area near Port B. Security measures are in place, but we request immediate response. Over.
Copy. Dispatching a unit now. Advise security to maintain a perimeter. Estimated arrival in 2 minutes. Over.
Affirmative. Security standing by. Over.
Affirmative. Port Facilities Officer, I'm now proceeding to the area. Over.